Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. Up front we have an illuminated star. Also included is our lighting package, which is going to give you an active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. Appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, illuminated running boards, a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera. We've got a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 41,510 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.